entirely sure. Oh fuck. Today I'm not waiting for Paul. He's not going to be here. This is a midweek ride, so he'll be at work. Made in a half out near Whitchurch. I go past it, I almost arrive at the Raven, but I turn off a little bit before and head down some country lanes. There's like a little country park there somewhere, so I'm going to call in there. Then I'm just going to set my sat nav for home and head down some country lanes and see how I get on. Technically I'd like to land on the A41. There's a cafe, go under a bridge, it's canal side. Might call in. Looks like they do a nice beef stew, so go and tuck into that, I think. But I'm running the Hero 10. I got the pass-through hatch, and I've put a USB from the hatch up over the windscreen and into my tank bag, where it's been plugged into a USB port. And while I'm thinking on, I haven't switched the USB port on, so if that works out, then it means I can run a GoPro all day. I'll have a look at the GoPro Max. I know they haven't got a pass-through hatch for it. There's one made by Ulanzi, I think, but whenever I've looked, I can't actually get my hands on it. And if I did get my hands on it, I can't be certain that it's waterproof. The alternative I can consider and think of is that I might buy the standard GoPro Max hatch and drill it. Not entirely sure that's a bright idea, but it's possible. Let's go. One of the concerns I had about coming to this particular campsite I'm going to ride past in February was it was pretty rainy in February, and this is like a single track road. When I looked at it, it was covered in mud, and I was thinking, you know what, with all my camping gear on the bike and everything, that's going to be a tough bit of a ride. It's alright now though. Bit drier, but you can see it, can't you? In the winter this would have been pretty bad. However, I'll keep the campsite in mind. I like the look of it, and I like the look of things around the area, so yeah, I will keep it in mind. Now, what I'm actually looking for along here is there are some woods and a lake. So ideally, that's not the lake by the way. Ideally I'd like to get the bike in those woods. There's a car park in there. Look at this, grass everywhere. Fucking hell. Never mind. That's the caravan site, camping site I was looking to go to. Let's see what we've got now. I'm not sure if it's signposted as I come along. This is the cafe. It says we're shut today. Now then, let's have a look. Right, I don't have a sat-nav route home from here. My intention was just to ride. So what I'm going to do... Yeah? Oh no, I'm fine. I was thinking it was a car park in the woods. And it says unauthorised, and it wouldn't ride my bike down it anyway. Is there? Okay. Okay. Yeah, cheers. Not a bad looking day today. Wasn't entirely sure. Oh, fuck. Oh, good.